Welcome to Nirvana Safety, where your well-being is our top priority. Today, let's delve into a whirlwind minute of safety induction at a worksite. Step 1. Introduce the new worker to the team and the workplace. Step 2. Review the company's safety policy, emphasizing its importance. Step 3. Cover emergency procedures, including evacuation routes and assembly points. Step 4. Discuss the proper use of safety equipment. Now let's talk mandatory requirements. All workers must have a valid ID, complete the necessary safety training, and understand their roles in maintaining a safe workspace. The company should provide safety gear, hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, and high-visibility clothing. After the induction, hand over a copy of the safety manual and emergency contact list. Remember, safety isn't just a checklist. It's a culture. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.